Hey, Phil, why the gloomy face?
Cher and I are calling it quits. We're breaking up. Divorce
What?
time. I need to find a good divorce lawyer.
What? Phil, you've only been married 2 months. What's going on?
You just don't understand. There are just some differences we haven't been able to work out.
Well, you've only been married 2 months. Like what? Things can't be that bad.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are, sis. I thought married life was going to be filled with bliss, but things are really terrible right now.
Like what? You haven't given me a reason yet for wanting to break up.
Well, okay. Wait. First of all, she drinks 2% milk and won't
So
switch
what? I
and
do
won't
too.
and won't switch to non-fat milk.
So?
She's always telling me to put the toilet seat.
Buy 2 things of milk. Big deal.
And she's always telling me to put the toilet seat down in the
Duh.
bathroom. And she wears the smelly facial cream. Oh, it's so smelly. And she
Well, that is annoying, but so what?
and she sometimes falls asleep with the light on. Oh yeah. And get this. She studies English grammar in her free time. I mean, really romantic,
Serious?
right? I mean,
You know what? So what? It's not a big deal. That's it? Don't you think those are pretty petty reasons for wanting to get a divorce?
hey, the movie stars do it all the time.
What?
And
You want to be like them?
And get this, she gets upset when I call my old girlfriend 2 or 3 times a week.
What?
I'm
You're
just
calling your old girlfriend?
just to say hello.
You
That's
shouldn't be
all.
calling her. No wonder she's upset.
And now I only have 1 picture of my girlfriend in my wallet. I got rid of the other 3 last week.
You're still carrying pictures of your old girlfriends?
You just
What
don't
is
understand.
wrong? Phil, be quiet and listen, Phil. What is wrong with you? You have a really screwy way of thinking about things.
You haven't. Don't understand.
Listen. First of all, those character flaws as you see them, they are just habits, personal habits that aren't bad at all. But you are a big part of the problem.
What?
Calling your old girlfriend, what are you
don't
thinking?
understand.
Keeping pictures of your girlfriends,
You don't
only
understand.
having one in your wallet and feeling bad. What is wrong with you, Phil?
What?
No, listen. Stop thinking of yourself. You are so self-centered. I'm ashamed that you are my brother. What's wrong with you?
Still, I just need a good divorce lawyer.
A divorce lawyer is the last thing you need. Maybe she needs one, but you don't.
Man,
Listen. You just need to grow up.
But
Save your energy and frustration for real problems. Listen, people get really sick. Sometimes people die. When you guys have kids, you're going to have some teenagers coming down the road, and that's pretty scary. You're going to have financial problems. You haven't seen anything yet. I think you guys really need to get some marriage counseling. You've got to work on these problems, Phil.
women.